If you post a fixed asset disposal in Dynamics 365 Business Central, it will automatically update insurance coverage ledger entries. So let's now see what will happen inside Dynamics 365 Business Central. And first thing first, let's go and sell our conveyor belt fixed asset that we insured in our previous video. So I will go to sales invoices, and I will create a new sales invoice, and I will choose my customer 10,000. Okay, and now in the lines I am going to select my fixed assets, and fixed asset number, it will be conveyor belt. This one we insured in our previous demo. Quantity 1 and unit price, for example, 5,000. Okay, this is my simple sales invoice. And now if I click post, I post the sales invoice. Okay, my fixed asset is sold to my customer 10,000. And now let's check what is happening with insurance policy. So if I go to insurance and select insurance policies, here when I select my machinery insurance, because our fixed asset was insured with machinery insurance, and I select statistics, here you will see that total value insured decreased. If I select 8,000, I will see only the current insured fixed assets. So even if I'm insurance coverage ledger entries page, I only see one that are still available. So if I go back, and I go one step back as well, and if I navigate to related insurance coverage ledger entries, here I'm going to see that my fixed asset 50, which is conveyor belt, is disposed, and that's why I'm seeing here this fixed asset in insurance coverage ledger entry, this screen, because you will see all the transactions here. So this is how you can dispose your fixed assets and see what is the impact on your insurance coverage ledger entries.